Hey boys and girls, so our letterland friend this week is Quarrelsome Queen. Her sound is qua, 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 and she's very quarrelsome. See her face? Her eyebrows are pushed down, her mouth is wrinkled down. She's not a very happy or pleasant person. She likes to argue or quarrel with the other letters, especially if she loses her royal umbrella that usually is beside her. So Quarrelsome Queen makes the qua qua sound, and when you take Quarrelsome Queen out of it, you have the letter Q. Q says qua qua Q. Now it's Tuesday, which means it's Scavenger Hunt Day, which means you get to go around your house and try to find something that starts with the qu sound. And this might be a little tricky for y'all today. But what we have here is a quilt. So a quilt tends to be something that's handmade, knitted, not like a blanket that's like a piece of fabric sewed together. But a quilt is something handmade, usually a lot of different color patches. Maybe it's knitted, so special blanket. So a special blanket is a type of quilt. And then you also have a queen. A queen. Yeah. Maybe you have a castle set that came with a king and queen. You might have a queen in your toy set. And there's also a type of bird that makes the qu sound. This is called a quail. A quail. It's a type of bird. And this looks like a rock, which is the sound, right? But there are many types of rocks. And this is actually a gem, which is called a quartz. Quartz. So it's a type of rock. And you also have when you ask a question. Sometimes in circle, you'll hear some of our friends say, I have a question. And this is a question mark. So you might, like Miss Alicia says, what's the weather? What is the weather like today? She is asking you a question. And this would go on the end of her sentence. And then everybody probably has one of these in their house. It is a quarter. A quarter worth 25 cents. A quarter. So see what you can find in your house today that starts with the qu sound. And remember, Q is never without U. So Q for Quarrelsome Queen, and she has her umbrella with her. And Q has U for all of the words that it starts with. See? Question mark, Q-U. Queen, Q-U. Quarter, Q-U. Quilt, Q-U. Quartz, Q-U. Quail, Q-U. Those two letters always go together with Q. All right, I can't wait to see what you guys found today for your letter Q sound on your scavenger hunt.